Have you ever looked at your bank statement and wondered, where did all my money go? Or maybe you made an impulse purchase only to regret it later. If you've been in these situations, trust me, you're not alone. Money is more than just numbers in an account. It's tied to our emotions, our decisions, and often to moments of stress or joy. And believe it or not, these emotions can have a bigger impact on your financial health than you might think. In this video, I'll reveal how emotions sabotage your finances and, most importantly, what you can do to take back control. We'll identify the emotional triggers behind your spending habits, understand why they happen, and give you practical strategies to avoid falling into financial traps. Stay with me until the end because the solutions I'm about to share can completely change how you handle your money and, ultimately, your life. Emotions have a powerful impact on our financial decisions. Whether it's retail therapy to cope with stress or splurging to celebrate a big win, the act of spending money often becomes a quick and easy way to seek relief or comfort. Let's say you had a rough day at work. On your way home, you stop at a store, convincing yourself you deserve that expensive gadget or outfit. The dopamine rush makes you feel good in the moment, but the regret often hits later, sometimes as soon as you check your bank account. This cycle of emotional spending isn't rare. It's something many of us go through, but it doesn't have to be permanent. The first step to breaking this cycle is to understand your emotional triggers. What's causing you to spend? Stress? Boredom? Loneliness? Recognizing these patterns is crucial. One effective way to do this is to keep a spending journal. For 1 week, write down every purchase you make and the emotion you felt before making it. You'll start to see patterns, like how you're more likely to overspend after a tough day or when you're feeling bored. Awareness is key. When you know your triggers, you can create strategies to counteract them. For example, if you're someone who shops online when stressed, try replacing that habit with something healthier, like going for a walk or calling a friend. Another important step is to set clear financial goals. When you have a purpose for your money, it's easier to resist emotional spending. Ask yourself, what do I really want? Is it to pay off debt? Save for a home? Build an emergency fund? Write these goals down and keep them visible, whether it's on your fridge, your phone's lock screen, or your workspace. Once you've identified your goals, create a budget that aligns with them. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving yourself permission to spend in ways that truly matter to you. And here's a tip. Include a small, fun fund in your budget. This way, you can enjoy guilt-free spending without derailing your bigger goals. Now let's talk about emotional accountability. If you're serious about breaking the habit of emotional spending, having someone to hold you accountable can make all the difference. This could be a friend, a family member, or even a financial coach. Share your goals with them and ask them to check in with you regularly. Knowing someone else is aware of your progress can be a powerful motivator. Additionally, practicing mindfulness can help you make better financial decisions. Before making a purchase, pause and ask yourself, do I really need this? How will this impact my goals? This moment of reflection can prevent impulsive choices. Finally, remember that change doesn't happen overnight. Be patient with yourself. Breaking free from emotional spending takes time and practice, but every step you take is progress. Celebrate small wins, like resisting the urge to splurge during a stressful day or sticking to your budget for a month. These victories build momentum and remind you that you're capable of taking control of your finances. So, take a deep breath, reflect on what you've learned today, and start making small changes that lead to big results. You've got this.